Hi everyone, it's Lindenherz. So, if you ask me where I'm standing here, I'm standing in the middle of a forest, which is not so near our flat. It's a bit more far away, some kilometers, and I'm standing here in an abundant field of, what do you think is that this year? This is something delicious, and if you could smell it, you would certainly think, it smells like garlic. And exactly, this is bear garlic or wild garlic. And this time around the year, it's spreading here in this area everywhere. It's the time before the leaves are growing, so the forest ground has a lot of light, so these beauties here can grow. And it is said that it's called bear garlic because bears tend to eat this wild, I don't know if it's a herb actually. This wild plant was a delicious first meal for bears after hibernation. And but you can see there were certainly also other ones here, and not certainly bears, not bears, because we don't have bears here anymore. But you can use these plants for all sorts of delicious things. You can also eat them raw, not necessarily this one, but you can make pestos with it. You can make some delicious fresh cheese with it and have potatoes with it. A lot of beautiful stuff you can make with this. And let's see if we can find something special here about those plants. I don't know if we were able to find one, because it is said that you should harvest wild garlic before it starts to blossom, before the blossom starts. And I already found some. Here we have one. Here at the bottom, I'll share with you. This is one blossom actually. And try to focus here. These here are also delicious. You can put them in olive oil and then leave it there and later eat it, like a bit like olives, or I don't know, capers or something. They're really delicious. And funnily, these here, or also garlic, tastes beautiful, and you might laugh, with apple and cheese. Yeah, I just tried it and it was so delicious. So these are really gorgeous. When you eat them raw, like the leaves, it's quite a sharp taste. It's a bit strong for those who don't like garlic. But the thing is, when you eat this, it's not so strong like normal garlic. So they say that you can't smell it like on another person like a normal garlic. But you certainly have it longer. The taste will stay longer with you. This is certain. But it's delicious. You can make all sorts of delicious pastas with this, and but you have to process these quite fast when you have them. So the usual thing I'm making here with these plants is pesto. So basically chopping it and putting them into oil with a bit of salt, sometimes also with a bit of feta cheese. So this is nature's abundance when you're open to it, and when you know a little bit of plants. Those can quite often mistaken for. I try to remember the word in. We call them Maiglöckchen. I will put it in here, which flower I mean. Because Maiglöckchen here in tend to have quite similar leaves, but when you look closer at them, you see the difference. And when you rub these, you smell the garlic on your fingers. So normally not so difficult, but the flowers of the, I still say, Maiglöckchen, are poisonous. So there are a lot of incidents happening at this time of the year where people come into hospital because they don't do this kind of testing here. So a last view here and listen to the birds. And we will see us very soon. I wish you a wonderful weekend. Bye!